Before this video starts, I just want to say I'm sorry for my heavy breathing. I'm recording this at 11 at night, and yeah, I just want to go to sleep and get this out before it's Monday, because it's SpeedCube Sunday, not SpeedCube Monday. So yeah, enjoy the video, and yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to be introducing my new series called SpeedCube Sunday. And if you don't know what this is, it's basically a series I do every Sunday about Rubik's Cubes, or anything related to Rubik's Cubes. And basically what I do in the series is I do unboxings, reviews, my mains, anything coming up, events, and all of that. So how this series works is I'm going to be uploading every Sunday, and you guys can comment questions like what's your fastest time or something like that, and I'll answer it in a video and feature you. So, and then in the background I am playing my average of 5 on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. My main for my 3x3 is a Moyu Along V2 new batch, and I've been using this cube for like about a year now, and it's great. My fastest time is 21.3 something, and yeah, I think that's all I have to say, and yeah, just enjoy my average of 5.
You'll catch me. Promise that 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 you'll catch me. This way, are you still living in that place? They told me you've been doing okay, okay. In another world where you and me, we show our hearts, yeah, entirely, to deliver me from reality and take me to my fantasy. Tell me we can make this real, if we can follow what we feel. I'm running, but I've reached the edge. Promise that you'll catch me. 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 You'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.